Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today I'm going to be showing you guys these, I think they're Luyed LEDs. These are like 17 bucks for two of them off of Amazon. So I was like, you know what? I got to show you them. They're 900 lumens and they go on your Jeep taillights for if you liked the look of the factory ones like I do. I literally put the cages on them and I think they look good. So either way, this is what they look like. Now I'm going to show you some comparisons. This is what a competitor's looks like, known as auxbeam. Auxbeam has LEDs as well, and this is their version. They are also, from my experience, a little bit more money. So let's show you how much better though they look. Both these look compared to stock. And that is what the stock looks like. So this is stock, and then this is the Luyed lights. So you can definitely choose which one you like. I'd say the Luyeds are pretty close to stock brightness. Just gives you a nice blue tinge for trying to brighten up when you're reversing. Because one thing I will say is the LEDs are way better for being able to reverse. These are my hefty ones that I use actually for reversing most of the time. But being able to have something that's a little bit more blue so it brings out, I find, the background when you're in your Jeep a little bit better. Now you do have to wire resistors in for LEDs, so that's another thing that you need to consider. So depending on what you're doing, you might want to actually buy new taillights that come with the resistors over just trying to buy resistors, mount them in there, and then put LED bulbs in here for a little bit more light. It just depends though on what you're going for. Like I said, for me, it just makes all the difference when you're looking at your reverse. And that also turning, I noticed that it's a little bit brighter for the person behind you to show that you're turning. But again, let's quickly show you how to put these things in. Oh, so you don't get the burnt out bulb light. What you need is that resistor right there. It's a 50 watt 6RJ. And that's the resistor I'm using. And then as you can see right here, what you need to do is you need to just strip and add the resistor. Do not cut the wire, but strip and add in the resistor on the yellow, white, and it's like a gray black wire. And so I'm gonna clean that up here in a sec. And then these are pretty easy. Just twist them, plug in the bulb, test them, because if you plug them in the wrong way, they won't work. And if you plug them in the right way, then they will. And you might think you have them in the right way until you put them in right. So like I said, all you're gonna do is twist like this, and then after you twist it, pull it out, and there is your bulb. Wedge it in there, test it, put it back in. This side once again, screw out, grab tail light, wiggle it out of place, and then change the bulbs. We'll see if we can quickly show you here. So again, we have a green, white, and then yellow, white. So this side is green, white, yellow, white. Again, all you do is you strip the sheath back, solder one wire on, and then tape it up or use heat shrink, whatever you'd like to do. And then same one here, put the other side of the lead by stripping and adding the other wire too, but do not cut the wire. All you want to do is strip it and add the resistor in. That way it's forever telling it that the bulb is okay. Now the disadvantage to that is, of course, if your bulb actually does die, it's not going to tell you on the dash. But just something for you to be aware of. Anyway, I hope this helps you out and helps you get your new bulbs in. Thanks again for watching. Press like if it did. Of course, subscribe for more.